Day one of working at the Airstream. We're ripping everything out. Out it comes.
Yeah, that's the plan. Anyways, I'm excited. We get to smash stuff and take stuff out. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, jazz hands.
Let's get to work. Alright, we're getting to it. We got all our tools and we're about to take all of this stuff that you see. It's all coming out. A lot of people may not like that because it looks good and it's a good arrangement and everything's in good shape. But we're gonna be building something for it. It's our trailer and it's the way we're doing it. So you guys can do it however you like.
Surprisingly, everything's coming out pretty easy.
Before I get too involved back here, this is what this looks like now. It had those two covers on top of here, going across. Same with that one, covered all this stuff up. Has this little storage unit back here. And then again, that's the shower there. The storage closet, which basically looks like that. It's got little hangers and stuff. The bathroom, toilet, little rack, mirror, light, sinking countertop. Got this shower right here. Hey. Here's this storage. In here we have this shelving unit. That shelving, upper cabinets, same with over here, freezer, fridge, then on this side, as mentioned, we got this full cabinet right here, which goes all the way through. It's got 4 fans. This door slides across like a little barn door with a lock on the bottom. Over here we have the little paper towel, wax, and foil holder. Upper storage as well. Stove, sink cover over there, underneath storage, and then Shay is diligently still working on that little bracket over there, and sofa right there, pull out table right there, little storage right there also, and then the upper cabinet space with the control panel, and then the 8-track radio player right there.
Oh, you had it screw in.
A little progress back here. A little bit of floor needs to be picked up back there. No big deal. That's it. Window open for the first time. That's pretty cool. I know it's something small, but it's pretty neat. These come apart pretty easily so far anyways. It does if you have a drill. I forgot to bring the other one. Maybe tomorrow. I'll remember. How's it with the drill?
Oh, it's a lot easier with the drill, but...
Shay's a beast when it comes to working on stuff, by the way. She gets really into it.
What the?
What song is this?
Hollywood Undead?
It's pretty cool. I think we may run into an issue trying to throw all this stuff away right now. But we'll just keep taking everything out. This stuff is real thin and flimsy. I'm sure it's light though, which I'm sure is helpful.
So I kind of like this. It's like a little storage box. I just kind of like the detail. I think it's really cool. And then it has the sliding doors. So it has a little surface rust, but I think I might try to sand it down and make something of it. I kind of like it. There's only one. Kind of sucks, but
Yeah, just set it down
I like
in
it.
your turntable. I don't know what's going on over there, but
I wish you were paying attention. It's pretty entertaining.
quick progress update. We have the front basically all taken out. Got that panel off. Shay's feverishly working in the back.
Trying to get some of this stuff off because now we're on the rivets. So that's going to take a little bit longer. I don't know.
Everything's still looking good though. Basically just on that middle section. I wasn't expecting that to come off that easily. A quick update. 3:42, I'd say we're about 2.5 hours in.
No, we're about 3 hours in.
Are we?
We got here right after 12.
Basically have this whole side almost completely done. The back's still pretty much done. Come over here. And as you see, this is where we're at right now. Still got the bathroom, just the form boards and whatnot. And then gotta get the plumbing around the sink done, and then the upper shelf, but we're getting really close. So, I actually like it more empty.
The Airstream's coming along though. It's looking pretty empty.
Okay, so day one's progress. We have basically everything out on this side. Still got the plumbing. Still got a couple things of cleanup we have to do. And then over there we basically just have the kitchen area, which we have to take out. We'll take that out tomorrow. We'll finish up all this. And we'll finish up the front. But that's kind of where we're at. Looks a hell of a lot better. And obviously good progress for one day. It's about 4 or 5 hours we've done. Then of course we have this huge pile out there of all the interior that's just been gutted. And there's the interior that we've taken out today. I would say for the most part, even if you wanted to keep all that, we kept it in pretty good shape. So I mean, for being able to take it all out like we did, most of it's not even broken. How you feeling about today?
Good. Good. Good progress. I'm a little tired. Ready for some pizza.